Design and display. Alcatel One T7. Both the Alcatel One T tablets come with simple designs, but neither feels premium in the hand. Each has a plastic back that is reminiscent of Amazon Fire tablets. The company refers to it as raw material, but don't expect anything that feels luxurious in your hand here. In terms of color choice, you can choose from premium black or bluish black for both tablets too. The Alcatel One T7 has dimensions of 190 by 111 by 9.15 mm and weighs in at 245 grams, which means it's easy to hold in one hand. It's only a 7-inch display with quite hefty bezels, so you're not going to struggle to handle this without using both hands. The resolution on the display is not stunning at 1024 by 600. So if you're hoping for a super clear and vibrant picture, that isn't going to be possible here. Alcatel One T7. The Alcatel One T10 has a larger display at 10.1 inches with dimensions of 255 by 155 by 9.35 mm and a weight of 415 grams, which means it's not easy to hold in one hand. But you've got a lot more screen real estate, which should make watching video or doing general tasks easier. The resolution here isn't much better than that of the One T7 at 1280 by 800 pixels, so don't expect a stunning visual experience from this display, either. We did prefer this one due to the slimmer bezels than the 7-inch edition, but don't anticipate a beautiful design from either version.